Hello, thanks for joining me to learn how to download a book from the library. Let's start at the library's website, multcolib.org. Click on the eBooks and More tab and scroll down to where it says Your Desktop and click on it. This takes you to Multnomah County Library's Overdrive page. This is the catalog for the ebooks and digital audiobooks available to you. The first thing we're going to do is sign in with our library card number. Click on the Sign In button. Next, type in your library card number and password and click Sign In. Next, we'll search for the book that we want to check out. Click on the Search magnifying button. And now type in the title of the book you would like. I'm typing in Virgil Wander. If it says available on the green bar above the title, that means it's available to check out now for you. You can click on the Borrow under the title and confirm that you would like to borrow it. Click Borrow again. All right, that's a success. It's been checked out to you, and now you have your choice of how you would like to read your book. We're going to read it on the computer, so click Read Now in Browser. The book will open up on your screen in a new window. You can turn the pages by clicking on the right side of the screen. You can click in the top of the screen to make screen adjustments to how the book displays on your device. Clicking the first button allows you to change from displaying 2 pages at once, 2 pages to 1 page. Clicking on the 3 bars on the far right allows you to change other settings, such as reading settings. Click on Reading Settings, and you can slide this bar to change the size of the words to a larger font or to a smaller font. You can also change the background under Lighting. When you're finished with these adjustments, click in the center of the screen to make those parts go away, and you can continue to read your book. When you are finished reading for the day, you can just close your browser. When you want to start reading again, go back to the library's website and click eBooks and More and your desktop. You can also just type in multcolib.overdrive.com to get to that same page. Under My Account, click on Your Loans and go back to Read Now in Browser. The book will open up on the same page you left off on. Happy reading!